Having a short link for your YouTube channel is the sturdy vessel that navigates you towards success. It's like a digital business card, easy to share, easy to remember, and a surefire way to improve your visibility. But how do you create one? The answer is simple: OpentoApp.com. OpentoApp.com provides an intuitive and user-friendly platform that transforms your lengthy YouTube channel link into a compact and efficient short link. It's a simple, straightforward process. Firstly, you need to copy your YouTube channel link. This is the long URL that appears in your web browser when you visit your YouTube channel. Hold on to that. It's the key to creating your short link. Next, direct your browser to OpentoApp.com. Here, you'll find a field labeled Paste Your Link here. Go ahead, do just that. Paste your YouTube channel link into this field. Once your link is pasted, click on the button that reads Generate Link. Voila! In a matter of seconds, your short link is created, but the magic doesn't stop there. Now it's time to take this short link to Instagram. Open your Instagram profile and paste both your original YouTube channel link and your new OpentoApp short link into your bio. This is where the fun begins. When someone clicks on the original YouTube channel link in your bio, it will open in the in-app browser. However, when they click on your OpentoApp short link, it will open in the YouTube app. The benefits of using an OpentoApp short link are numerous.